Today, we will visit the Nordson Corporation in Carlsbad, California, an advanced manufacturing company that engineers precision-made products to global customers in the electronics industry.
My name is Mary Kate Friend, and I am a member of technical staff mechanical here at Nordson. My department at Nordson is responsible for dispensing platforms, which are a couple of our machines here. The Spectrum machine specifically and the Forte machine are mostly what our department is responsible for, getting those machines out the door. My job at Nordson is to, well, it's different every day. Some days I'll be mostly working on the computer on SolidWorks, or I'll be working on the line to help get machines out the door. On a typical day, I usually just come into the office, check my emails, make sure there's not any high priority stuff, and then I'll usually head out to the line and make sure that everything is running smoothly on the line. So if there's systems that I need to help integrate, I integrate systems by installing some parts, because there's a lot of moving parts in our machines. The thing I love most about my role is the versatility of it. I love that I get to do different things every day. What led me to this role, I actually started out college with an interest in fashion, but first class I knew I didn't want to do that, so I went with my strong suits, which in high school were math and physics, and I ended up getting my Bachelor's of Science in Mechanical Engineering and my Master's of Science in Engineering. And then throughout that time in college, I also interned at a manufacturing company, which is fitting for this role. On a daily basis, the skills that I use are mostly problem solving. I would say that's the strongest and most important in this position. Within our department, we have purchasers, which are responsible for ordering the parts and making sure we have enough orders. Supply chain is another branch that I work with. Also production associates to make sure that the parts are being built correctly. And machine owners, which are responsible for each specific machine and what goes with it, and making sure that those parts are there when we want to build them. Here at Nordson, I've actually had the opportunity to interview a few people that we've hired. Throughout that process, the thing that I mostly look for is being able to give me an answer and figuring out, you might not have the correct answer, but if seeing how a person works through the questions that you're asking them is what's most important, because that says a lot about how you'll deal with things on the job.